Hi guys, it's Matt from ViewSonic and we're here at ISE 2019, and right now we're going to have a look at the embedded browser functionality in the myViewBoard software. So myViewBoard comes with a Chromium browser, meaning that you can search all your websites, bring all of your content directly into myViewBoard software without needing to switch any applications. So I can annotate over any website, I can screen capture back to my board, and I can also load up any website and actually embed this onto the canvas. So by pressing this button here, I've now got an embedded version of this website, which I can move around. I can place this anywhere I need to, and then I can use the other area to actually add more annotations. I can add notes anywhere on the canvas around my web content. And we also have the ability to save all of your favorite websites and bookmarks using our integration on the clouds. So you can save all of your websites as tiles, and whenever you log into myViewBoard, these will follow you wherever you go, and yeah, you'll have access to everything you need in the classroom, all inside myViewBoard software.